There you go. You come and help your dad. I'm gonna go mix some concrete. Oi! Hey! Oi! You're gonna go make some concrete. Good gal. Foreman. Boss. Okay, let's go get the tools. I'm just gonna pour a little concrete base here for the manifold to sit on. It's a bit of a wet and muddy old job, but we'll get it done. Gonna make quite a dry mix because it's already quite wet in there already. I don't use much concrete really, but sometimes, you know, it's really a worthwhile thing to use, and this is one of those times, so we use it. Could bolt it to 2 big rocks, but I think this is a better solution. Yeah, sorry, just got no room to get you in here with me, so you're just gonna have to, I'll just have to show you once I've got it done here. Just try and get it down into all these corners. Okay, there we go, little concrete pad poured on the bottom there, manifold bolts to that. And then water can still get around the side of it. It's going to be tight in here, but we'll be alright. Going to give this building a good clean up and get it all finished and tidied up as well, and put new floor in it. Yeah, that's it for now. Leave that to go off. Right, so it's all dried. Got it in. It's connected up. It's looking good. Got a pressure gauge in there. I might extend that up yet and put it up there, but I don't know. Anyway, goal now is sort this building out a bit, because you know it's just a bit. You know, it's a natural building, it's cobbled and stuff, but I think we can really tidy this up and make it look a lot nicer for our new turbine. So that's the goal today. I'm going to paint these doors and whitewash these walls with some lime wash and stuff, and just generally just make it look much tidier and nicer. So let's get to it. Okay everyone, so just painted the doors where they're going a bit skank, and gave the inside a coat of lime wash. Just brighten it up a bit in there. Didn't look great on camera before, so spruce it up. We need to put a floor in, get all the bit of spots of lime off and stuff, but yeah, just a little spruce up. I haven't gone all the way, but just areas that, you know, mostly for you lot so you can see better. Looks nicer now. It's too small to really get in there, but you get the picture. Nice and lime washed, all our controls and everything will go on that wall, and we're going to put in a nice floor next. A little bit of a view from further back, combining the old with the new. I like that, because come check this out there. This building with the doors closed, doors open at the minute, falling up, but look at that, how well that blends in. So new technology inside, old technology on the outside, blending into its surroundings perfectly. That's what it's all about. Okay, good morning everyone. So I'm going to be continuing on. I started this video about probably nearly a month ago now. So I'm going to be continuing it on today. Haven't had that much of a successful week with the workshop and stuff. I've just been collecting materials, and today it is chucking it down. So I thought rainy day equals a hydro day. Yeah, rather rainy. Yeah, so rainy day, hydro day. So let's work on the hydro, get the hydro turbine hooked up. Well, not hooked up, but in the building and all that stuff. Okay, let's do it. I've just put this notch in this on the table saw, So the turbine's going to sit in here. It's just in one length at the minute, but we'll cut it down, just taking the edges off. Ball nose plane. Ignore the lathe in the background. I borrowed it off Craig actually to make some parts for Doc into spinning. So I made spindles for a spinning wheel and stuff. But yeah, we're just okay. We cut this into length, screw it together. Turbine will sit in here. Yeah, it's got a nice face to set up to then. Some screws in this box here. Get ready for all the comments saying, isn't that box gonna rot? That box is wood. It's gonna be wet, it's gonna rot. Yes it will, everything in the world rots. But it won't rot for a very, very long time. So, one day we'll have to remake it, but the chances are I would have taken it all apart to do other improvements and stuff by then anyway, so we won't worry about it. So yeah, that's going to be our box. Turbine's going to sit in there. Should fit as well. Bit of luck. Right, let's go and have a check. Okay, so a week ago or so, put in a little floor. Douglas fir floor, really thick at the last stages. So yeah, that's what we're going to mount our box to. So hard to film in here because it's quite a small building, but I do my best. Okay, I've sort of got a pipe layout in mind, and in order for it to fit, the box wants to go here somewhere. Okay, nope, that won't fit. Right, I've just got to cut a little notch out of here to get it to all fit. I should have fitted the manifold a bit further back really, but that would have made some of its own problems. So yeah, I just got very tight this building, so it's kind of hard to get it all in here, but it is going to fit. I'm just going to cut out this little notch. Right, that's our box mounted. Let's see if the turbine will fit. Right, I hate lifting this thing, it's really heavy. Aha! Excellent. That's it, that is exactly what we want. So now that that's done, I can start getting all my pipes and everything figured out. But that's how it's going to sit in there. In the next video we'll connect all the pipes, plumb it all up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.